Hi there! This is the third and the final video of the video series in which we will explain Retable's basic, advanced, and premium column types, which will make your data operation processes more effective. In the previous video, we covered the advanced column types and their features. Now, we're going to show you details about Retable's premium column types. This time, let's choose from templates that Retable has created for you. From the categories that you can see on the left, let's choose Content Planning Template and start to explore Retable's premium column types. It is very important to be able to follow the developments in the changing world where technology is rapidly increasing every day. QR code is an invention that is frequently used today and saves people from wasting paper or the need for detailed research. In this column, you can type the URLs in the cells and Retable converts them into unique QR codes. Thus, when you expand the relevant cell, you can see a QR code instead of a link and can open the direct link by scanning these QR codes. Firstly, let's copy the link to the blog we want to create a QR code for. After pasting the URL, you can see that there's a blue arrow in the right corner. When you click it, you can see a unique QR code for this link, and when you scan the code, it will automatically take you to the website. The same goes for things you write manually. For example, let's write a note for ourselves. When you scan the code, Retable will automatically take you to your search engine, which then will process this information and direct you to the relevant pages. Don't forget that you have the option to change the color of your QR code. Technology developed in a way that human mind cannot understand and has made the use of artificial intelligence widespread. By using ChatGPT and Retable integration, you can give ChatGPT prompts directly in your tables and use your columns as variables for curly brackets in these prompts, so you can automatically obtain ChatGPT outputs for thousands of rows with a single prompt. In order to use this column, you should first generate a secret key from OpenAI. Retable has made this very easy for you and has put the page where you can access this key. When we click this link, it will take us to OpenAI. After filling in the required fields, we can now copy our API key. Now, it's time for ChatGPT to ease our data with Retable. You can ask any questions, such as some examples that Retable shows. You can see that after typing what we want, OpenAI will automatically fill these rows with answers. Retable has many features that will save your valuable time. Instead of having email traffic or meetings with people on the same team and finding out whether you agree on an issue or not, you can add a vote column which allows you to vote only once and helps you decide. Our last column type is the rich text. This is a place where you can store your long texts and see them in bold, italic, or underlined, change headings, and have numerical and listicle format. With the help of this column type, you can store your data all in one place, whether it's an essay, a to-do list, or anything you can think of related to your row. We have come to the end of our video series about Retable's column types, and we tried to explain each of them in detail. We covered the basics of each column type and created examples of spreadsheets for your usage. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. See frequently asked questions about columns and column types on our website, and don't forget to follow us. Thanks for watching!